Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make Gamepass Roblox Pls donate easy and fast. In a browser, go to the address that we left you in the description of the video. There, go to the section, Creations. Click on the available creation. Now on the side, in the section, Monetization, click on Passes. After that, click on the button, Create a Pass. You can choose a different image. Enter the name of the pass and a description if necessary. Click on Create Pass to apply this change and see your available pass. Then click on the created pass. There, click on the option Sales. Here, enable the switch item for sale. Then enter the desired cost and click on Save Changes to confirm this. The next step is to click on Back to Associated Items. On the pass, click on the three dots and click on Open a New tab. This will allow you to see the details of your pass in Roblox. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.